Here's some cattle drive trivia. Subscribe. What is the term for driving cattle to market? Is it A, cattle herd, B, cattle sale, C, cattle auction, or D, cattle drive? The correct answer is D, cattle drive. Which trail was famous for long cattle drives? Is it A, Santa Fe Trail, B, California Trail, C, Oregon Trail, or D, Chisholm Trail? The correct answer is D, Chisholm Trail. In which state did the Goodnight-Loving Trail begin? Is it A, California, B, Colorado, C, Texas, or D, Oklahoma? The correct answer is C, Texas. Which invention greatly aided cattle transportation? Is it A, horse-drawn cart, B, railroad, C, stagecoach, or D, airplane? The correct answer is B, railroad. What device is used to brand cattle? Is it A, branding fork, B, cattle prod, C, paint roller, or D, branding iron? The correct answer is D, branding iron. Which breed is known for its milk production? Is it A, Guernsey, B, Angus, C, Holstein, or D, Hereford? The correct answer is C, Holstein. In what year was the Chisholm Trail used extensively? Is it A, 1867, B, 1890, C, 1875, or D, 1850? The correct answer is A, 1867. What animal is a primary participant in cattle drives? Is it A, goat, B, sheep, C, cow, or D, deer? The correct answer is C, cow. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.